Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch unresponsive? You're not alone. A common issue, especially with models from the Watch 4 to the newer Watch 7 series, is the watch failing to wake up. This can manifest as the screen not responding to taps, button presses, or even raising your wrist. The good news is, many causes are fixable at home. We'll explore the reasons and how to get your watch working again. Statistically, this impacts around 8 to 12% of devices. Several factors can cause this issue. Software glitches, often linked to updates like One UI Watch 5.0 or conflicts with third-party apps, are a common culprit. Battery issues, such as a completely drained battery or aggressive power-saving modes, can also put your watch in a deep sleep. Less frequently, hardware failures affecting the touchscreen, accelerometer, or power button can be the cause. Knowing the root cause is key to finding the right fix. Before diving into more complex solutions, start with these simple fixes. First, try a forced restart by holding down the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. This often resolves minor software glitches. Next, ensure your watch is adequately charged. Plug it in for at least 30 minutes. If that doesn't work, try cleaning the screen. Dirt or moisture can interfere with touch responsiveness. If the quick fixes don't work, software troubleshooting is the next step. Use the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone to check for and install any available software updates. Outdated firmware can cause various issues. If problems persist, try booting your watch into safe mode. Press and hold the power button during startup to enter safe mode, which disables third-party apps and helps identify if a rogue app is the cause. As a last resort software fix, a factory reset can resolve more persistent software issues. Important: this will erase all data on your watch, so back up anything you want to keep beforehand. You can typically initiate a factory reset through the watch's settings menu or via the Galaxy Wearable app. After the reset, set up your watch again from scratch. When software fixes fail, hardware issues might be the cause. Look for visible damage, signs of water ingress, or persistent wake-up failures. In these cases, contact Samsung support or a qualified repair technician. Avoid DIY repairs to prevent voiding warranties or causing further damage. To prevent wake-up issues with your Samsung Galaxy Watch, focus on regular maintenance and smart habits. Keep your watch's software current by checking for updates regularly using the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Software updates often include bug fixes that can prevent wake-up problems. Protect your watch from extreme heat or cold, and keep it away from water beyond its rated resistance level. Extreme conditions can damage internal components and lead to sensor failures. Maintain good battery health by charging your watch regularly and avoiding letting it drain completely. Use features like always-on display sparingly to conserve power and prevent deep sleep issues. Remove any apps you don't use, especially third-party ones that might conflict with system functions. Apps like fitness trackers can sometimes cause memory issues, leading to wake-up problems. Clear the cache of apps you use often through the watch's settings. This removes temporary files that can accumulate and slow down performance or cause responsiveness issues. Always use genuine Samsung charging cables and accessories. Third-party options might not provide stable power delivery and could damage the battery or internal components over time. Samsung is continuously working to improve its smartwatches. Expect future updates to include more AI-driven diagnostics, allowing the watch to self-diagnose and suggest fixes. Battery technology is also advancing, promising longer lifespans and reduced battery-related issues. Keep an eye out for these improvements, which should contribute to a more reliable and user-friendly experience. If all else fails, contact Samsung support, as hardware failures may be covered under warranty.